everybody, it's Neil, and I got these little Christmas lights here. These are by FTEOYEL. That's the information there. Again, I wonder if that's the Amazon number. I don't know, but we're gonna check these out. It comes with it's a multi-pack, so each one comes with like 6 of them in there. And this is what it looked like here. It looks like I'm gonna need some double A's in order to test this out. Do I have some over here? You know what? I think I might. Nope. I have AAA. I'll be right back. I'm back, and I got some AA batteries. So we're gonna give this thing a shot. Let's see how it looks. So let's see. How do we open it? We open it like, I guess it slides that way. So okay. And then, oh, there it is. Let's turn it off for the moment. We'll put it in here. So this one here is the warm white color. So how do we get this untwisted here? Don't know. I'm not sure how to untwist this here. It's very twisted up. Ah, there we go. Okay, so here it is, and I'll just kind of open it up a little bit for y'all to see. I mean, you could kind of even keep it twisted or put it in something, but here, let's just show you what it looks like here. And there it is. We can leave it on twinkle mode. Very nice. Or we can just leave it on. And these are surprisingly bright. Really nice looking little lights. And we could string them out. Could use it as a string. I think I've pretty much tangled it up at this point, but could do whatever with it. So these are nice little lights. So I'm going to say these are cute. Can put them in something, keep something lit up. So I like it. These are right here. You get a package of 6 of those, so that's just one of them. So it's the LED fairy string lights. And there's the information again. So I like it. Thumbs up for me on these. I'm going to put a link to this in the description. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.